Hey, it's Teo. Today I want to show you guys some of my accessories for my OutIn Mino espresso maker and OutIn Fino grinder. I got these because my summer trip is coming up, so I just wanted to show you guys what do I have and how do I transport these. So for starters, we have this OutIn Claro coffee scale. This is something I actually planning on using with my regular espresso set, and let me go ahead and show you guys. Comes with this very nice hard carrying case, opens up to this awesome silicone cover, and scale itself is rechargeable, fairly cool, and you pull it out, it comes out like this. And here's a turn on and off button. When you turn it on, all the digits are right up here, and this sits just like this, which is perfect. So that's one of them. Of course, it comes with the Type-C to Type-C charger cable, which is great. Everything you see here has a Type-C port, such as my Mino right here, as well as the Fino grinder right on here. All right, let's go ahead and put this away. Next, of course, those guys who likes milk with their coffee, I got this awesome OutIn LattoGo handheld milk frother. Also comes with this awesome case, which is really cool. You simply get it out, and it has that newest technology of frother. This should make an awesome microfoam. You simply put it in like so, and then boom, you're ready to go. I mean, check this thing out. So powerful, love it. Again, Type-C port. All right, next I got my universal coffee stand. This is perfect. It's all made of metal, beautiful color. Again, that dark brown chocolatey coffee color. And here's the stand height, and it comes with the Allen key. And here's the base. Oh, check this out. Your personal mobile coffee station. What else is in there? Oh, we got this little envelope. I think this is where the screws are to put this thing together. Let's go ahead and quickly put it together. It's so easy. Okay. 2 screws. You simply start with the bottom, put this part here like so, screw in the hole, grab your Allen key and gently screw it on nice and tight. And then the top, let's find that screw I just dropped in there. You simply remove this silicone, put it down here, put it on top, put your Allen key on it. It's not a proprietary Allen key. I mean, if you end up losing this or something, you can just buy a standard Allen key this size and go ahead and use it. Put this at the bottom, cover the top. Boom, this guy is ready to go. Okay, next, this awesome espresso set. Was this necessary? Not really. If you have cups, you're more than welcome to use those, but there's a catch with these guys. They're made of metal, stainless steel, and they're same brand as your espresso kit. Check this out. Beautiful green stainless steel, easy to wash. I'm sure I'll get some marks on this green part, but that's okay as long as the inside is perfectly fine. I'm all good with it. Love it. I'm an espresso drinker, and my brother and I, we do these trips together. He's the latte, cappuccino, cortado type of guy. That's why I got this milk frother, handheld milk frother. Here are the cups. They're beautiful. I mean, it's very well worth it. I got 2 other stainless steel cups from another brand, but I'm definitely taking these instead. I love it. The final thing, I got myself an OutIn bag to complete the whole kit. I got this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut open. Here we go. Let's go ahead and open this. This comes in kind of like dark red, but anyway, I ordered this color because I think it's the coolest color. Love it. It's a messenger bag style, fairly functional. I mean, check this thing out, you guys. Perfect for camping. And this color kind of matches my backpack. Has a nice little Velcro, fairly strong. And inside, you get this compartments for everything. Here's my Mino. I'm gonna put it on the left just to show you guys. Here goes Mino. Huh, love it. Fits like a glove. And here's Fino. Go ahead and put the Fino on the side. I wish they had some sort of a silicone cap for the Fino. Could have been really nice, but that's okay. Has twist locking mechanism, but I feel like I'm gonna damage this accidentally. Kind of makes me nervous. Here's our milk frother. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this way. Close this puppy. Boom. Here's our scale. Awesome. Just gonna put it in. Here's this. I'm just gonna put this guy in just like this. Perfect. And then here goes my cups. I'll probably use this cute little paper bags. They seem like they're fairly strong. I'm just gonna put these in so they don't get scratched. This is awesome. Everything is in one bag. Check it out, you guys. This is an awesome kit. If you're interested in any of these items, including this field knife that I have, I'll go ahead and place the links at the description. Those are affiliate links. If you order through those links, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. This way I keep the channel sponsor free for you guys so I can bring in more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have a delicious day.